All right, we're filming.
We're filming going through the car wash.
Going through the car wash.
Yeah, it's pretty. It's good.
Got a guy helping out here,
And we're gonna get the.
doing the initial scrubbing.
Yeah.
Are you watching? Are you filming it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going through the car wash.
So what's happening now, Jax?
Yeah. Yeah.
Go through some giant red things.
Yeah.
Whoa, it's a light show. Gotta have some music. Wow. Insane. Oh, now I got some things. Got some octopus on our wall. Whoa, they're everywhere.
Well, we're the only ones in the car wash. Nobody else is coming up to watch the car today.
Got another red thing. Wow. Got a Wheelbright sign. Oh, we got octopus again.
Oh, we got octopus tail. Granddad,
Yeah.
we go through the car wash twice.
No, just not once. Unless you paid us some money.
Don't put your windows down because it'll make a mess. Just open your door.
Boy, that window's clean as a whistle. Starting November 1st, they're going cashless.
What does that mean?
That means you can't use real money. You have to use a credit card.
Are you filming, Lockie?
Yeah.
Film Talia.
All right, Talia. How was your car wash experience?
So cool. There was a strobe light going through parts.
Awesome.
Granddad, we shouldn't take this car to the airport. We should leave it in the garage. Let's do that.
Well, we'll see.
I don't want to make it dirty. We'll just leave it clean.
Somebody put an automatic thing on 60.
All right, Jax, you gonna say anything to the camera?
We're getting our car dry now.
Okay, is our friend finished? I don't
Awesome.
see him. Oh,
He's
in the
not
back.
quite done. All right, was it a good car wash, Jax?
Yeah, it's clean. Look at my window.
Awesome. All right, thanks, Granddad.